tonight, two identical servers. Same BIOS, same memory, same everything, right next to each other. Both have ESXi 6.0 update 1. What differs here is the one on the left has a Intel 750 series data store, and the one on the right has a Samsung 950 Pro data store. Those are NVMe drives, fast. Now, here's the VMs. Let's go to the summary page. What's special about these VMs? Nothing, just Windows 10. 1 vCPU, 2 GB RAM. What we want to start with is, well, boot. Let's power them up. So I guess I'll give the Intel 750 on the left a slight head start. So within about a second, I think I started the two of those. And we'll see if they're pretty similar as far as boot speed from a cold stop, a cold boot. I got NetPLWiz doing the auto login. And the answer sure appears to be yes. Very similar boot speeds. Okay. How about a reboot speed? Okay, to get the mouse to have focus, I need to click twice. It's going to be a little weird here. Okay, that was pretty good. I think within half a second of each other. So the two are now rebooting neck and neck. We'll see how real world usage of the Intel 750 versus the Samsung 950 Pro, how the two fare against one another for just, virtualization use. And the answer is appearing to continue to be rather close to identical. Well, actually, the Samsung 950 on the right actually won there. Yeah, let's do another boot. Let's see if that's consistent. All right. Here we go. Click, 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 and wait. Okay, the Samsung NVMe is beating the Intel NVMe a little bit. All right. And benchmarking. So what drivers are going here? Well, we have an NVMe driver built into ESXi 6.0 Update 1A. It's been there for a while, for our previous versions as well. So for the Samsung, I didn't have to do anything special to get it working. For the Intel, though, the driver's not great. And the default driver that VMware provides, so you want to replace it with the Intel driver. All right, enough said about that. And I'm just going to go ahead and run this on the two systems, and we'll compare how ATTO Diskbench does at the end of this run. I'll go ahead and speed up the video now until we've got something to show you here. Okay, we're finished. A couple things to point out. No networking here for the VM. So it's not like Windows updates going in the background. There's no other workload. And there's no other VMs running on these two ESXi hosts. So there's that. And, well, that's it for the benchmark run. So that's about it. Quick little heads up on what it's like to use these two drives as far as reboot time. There is also the experience of me deploying VMs from templates, and it takes 17 or 18 seconds on either. So what I mean by that is you're basically making a copy of a 15 gig Windows 10 file template and deploying a clone of it, a copy. It's not a linked copy, it's a full copy. And it's just that quick, having an NVMe SSD. You can have a brand new copy of Windows 10 spun up from scratch, completely independent of everything else on the machine, in 18 seconds. So hopefully you found this video interesting and helpful. Thank you for watching and for visiting tinkertry.com.